Hello everyone, welcome to your English grammar class of class 4th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, in our previous video we had completed lesson number 7. Now in this video we will start lesson number 8. Okay, so let's begin our class. Lesson number 8 given on page number 42, the noun possessive form. Now the possessive form of a noun is used to show belonging or ownership. So possessive form of noun is used to show belonging and or ownership means अगर कोई चीज़ किसी को belong करती है so वो belonging show करता है possessive form of a noun or ownership shows the possessive form of a noun. For example, you can see here bicycle of Ravi is new, or we can write it as Ravi's bicycle is new. So here bicycle of Ravi. So this is bicycle belongs to Ravi. So we can write it as Ravi's bicycle. This apostrophe S. This shows possessive form. So Ravi's bicycle is new. Then this motorcycle belongs to Amit, or we can write it as this is Amit's motorcycle. Third one, the dress of Kavita is very expensive, or we can say Kavita's dress means that this dress belongs to Kavita, and that the dress which belongs to Kavita is very expensive. So we can write it as Kavita's dress is very expensive. These magazines belong to Kiran, or we can write it as these are Kiran's magazines. Okay, these magazines are of Kiran. The brother of Mary is my classmate, or Mary's brother. Mary ka bhai is my classmate. So Mary's brother is my classmate. The sentences given above on both the sides mean the same. Beta, both these sentences are same. Either we can if we write it as bicycle of Ravi is new or Ravi's bicycle is new, both the sentences mean the same. However, the sentences given on right hand side, this side, the sentences given on right hand side are shorter and read better as compared to these sentences. Means this motorcycle belongs to Amit. This is Amit's motorcycle. Okay, so these sentences are shorter and also read better. Now formation of possessive form of singular nouns. First we will study about singular nouns, possessive form of singular nouns. This is Mohan's book. This is Mohan's book means this book belongs to Mohan. The queen's crown was very expensive. जो क्वीन का क्राउन था वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव था. तो whose crown? Queen's crown. The prince robe attracted everyone. That boy's clothes are dirty. The girl's father is a famous doctor. Okay, so all these nouns, singular nouns, can be formed as can be written in possessive form by adding apostrophe s to the noun. We form the possessive case of a singular noun by adding apostrophe s. This is known as apostrophe and then s. Suppose this is written girl. So now to show the possessive form, we have to apply here apostrophe and then s to this noun. So that is not used with those words that end in s, but those singular nouns that end in s. For example, Jesus. Here you can see that this last letter of this word Jesus is s. Okay, so this ends in s. Or have too many hissing sounds, or those words that have too many hissing sounds. We do not use s after apostrophe after these type of words. Okay, for example, Jesus. So Jesus. Here the last letter is s. So we don't write it as apostrophe and s. This is wrong. We only have to apply here apostrophe. Only a simple apostrophe is put at the end of such words. Okay, so those words that end in s or have too many hissing sounds, we don't use this s. Okay, after apostrophe, we only add apostrophe to such words. Okay, so the Jesus cannot be written as like this, Jesus' sake. We have to write it as only Jesus and then apostrophe se. Okay. Now, the possessive case is mainly used with the names of living things. Beta possessive case is mainly used for living things as cat's paw, then sheep's hoof. Okay. Now, we use preposition of for expressing the possessive case of non-living things. Means if we want to show a possessive case for non-living things, we don't use apostrophe s. We use the preposition of. Example, roof of the house, not house roof. Okay, this is wrong. We write it as roof of the house, not house roof. Now on page number 43, formation of possessive form of plural nouns. Those were singular nouns, now possessive form of plural nouns. There are many reputed boys' school in the city. She lives in girls' hostel. Boys, girls, then children's books contain many colorful illustrations. They have joined a famous men's club. She is a member of a women's committee. So all these nouns, boys, girls, children, men, women, all these are plural nouns. Okay, so in case of plural nouns, we form the possessive case of a plural noun that end in s by adding only apostrophe. Okay, as we have discussed earlier also. So those plural nouns that end in s, we only use apostrophe at the end of these type of nouns. For example, boys' school, girls' hostel. Okay, but when the noun is plural but does not end in s, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s, as children's books. Children here is also a plural noun, but it does not end with s. It does not end in s. So we have to apply here apostrophe and then s. Same way, men, women. All these, both these plural nouns, these are plural nouns, but does not end in s. Therefore, we form the possessive case by adding apostrophe s, as you can see here. So this is the explanation part of lesson number 8. I hope you got it. You have to read this lesson, okay, in homework, so it will be more clear to you. And exercises I will give you in the next video. Okay, thank you.